Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently got a consumer cellular flip phone and are trying to insert the SIM card for the first time, the process may seem a little confusing, especially if you are used to older phones or different styles of devices. Sometimes people open the phone and are unsure where the SIM slot is located, while others wonder which direction the card should face before placing it in. Since flip phones can vary slightly depending on the model, taking a careful step by step approach can make everything feel much easier. The good part is that putting a SIM card into a consumer cellular flip phone usually only takes a few moments once you know where to look. Let's walk through an easy way to get everything set up. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the consumer cellular flip phone completely before opening anything on the device. Step 2. Open the back cover of the consumer cellular flip phone carefully to access the inside area. Step 3. Remove the battery from the consumer cellular flip phone if the SIM slot sits underneath it. Step 4. Place the SIM card into the consumer cellular flip phone slot while matching the shape correctly. Step 5. Put the battery and back cover onto the consumer cellular flip phone again after the SIM card is in place. Step 6. Turn on the consumer cellular flip phone and confirm signal service appears normally on screen.